Okay, hi, my name is Mateo, and we are going to be analyzing my paper 1 from last year. So, if you can see, I got a 6 out of 20, not a very good grade. I got in criterion A 2 out of 5, criterion B 1 out of 5, criterion C 1 out of 5, and criterion D 2 out of 5. So if we come here and we see what means each criterion, it says A, understanding and comparison of the text, B, understanding of the use of effects of stylistic features, criterion C, organization and development, criterion D, language. Okay, so um, let's start from the beginning. Since we start the paper, we see a lot of what makes you say this. What this means is that I'm saying my ideas, saying what I think, but I'm missing to develop them, to support them, and that's what criterion A says. Criterion A says that I need to say my ideas, say the things I think, but I need to support them well, and I need to have support from the text. So this is something that I found that I am not having like a deep and like very deep analysis, and that type of um, connection I make between the text and my writing are very vague and they are very poor. So this is something that I need to work on, and this is something that I have to improve. For example, if you see, if we go to criterion D, that's language, I have a lot of language mistakes. There are many things that I have to avoid while I'm writing. If you see here there are a lot of words that I need to avoid, that I need to improve on my writing, because this is taking me marks from this criterion D that has 5 points, so I got 2 out of 5. So there's not like a very clear use of language. There are many things that they don't have to be there. There's like a poor redaction to the paper 1. This criterion of language has to do with criterion C, that's organization and development. What this means is that I start writing and writing and writing, and I don't have like a clear like logical sequence between the paragraphs. So I am not really thinking what I am writing. For example, here, what makes you say this? Here, Santiago is telling me to use the PI method to implement this, because I'm lagging. That I have to have a summary about all this. A lot of things I have to improve. Here it says that this is very vague, that I'm talking, but that I'm not like improving on it. That what makes you say this. Okay, so in terms of criterion B, that it's understanding the use of effects and selected features, I am like pointing out which stylistic features I have, which ones I managed uh, to distinguish, but I'm not talking really about on the effect this has on the reader. So I'm not talking on what these stylistic features have an effect on me. This is also taking me marks. This was one of my poorest criterion. C, B, understanding the use. So if we see, I have certain aims of improvement. So the first one is reading more carefully the text to understand the real meaning. So be careful and analyze it well. Number 2, make a previous mind map to have a clear idea on a clear idea and a structure. So this is criterion C. And the third one, make a deeper analysis of the stylistic features, that's criterion B. Thank you.